Hey, honey bunches. Sugar pears. I finally figured it out. Record video from webcam. It took me 30 minutes. 30 minutes to learn how to do this. I figured it out on my own. Didn't have to call anybody. Didn't have to... Okay, I did Google it. But I didn't have to call anyone. And I did it on my own. I'm so proud of me. I know you're wondering, why do I have this turtleneck on? It's cold. It's cold here in Georgia. It's cold. It's so cold indeed. It's cold, you guys. So that's why I got this turtleneck on. I don't know why, because I don't have anywhere to go, because I don't have a car. Why? My car is in the shop. So I'm just stuck here doing nothing. Nothing. But I'm trying to use this webcam because I want to see how it works. So it'll probably be glitches and glitches in it and stuff, but I'm going to get it right. But I tell you what, now that I know how to use this thing, trust me, there's going to be more videos made on everything that I do in this house. Because I have nowhere to go. I wanted to go see Four Color Girls, but... Hey, Maisha! Do you want to go to the movies? Just like a kid, huh? Always asking their parents, who's paying? Well, just forget it. Hey, let me listen to the song right here. It's hot. That is Somalian music, you guys. It actually is pretty cool. I like it. Diverse group. I don't know if YouTube is gonna delete this because I got that on there. You know how they do. But anyway, I have nothing to do but talk to you guys. Do my eyebrows. Do my hair. Thanks for my food. Do you want to say hi to my friends? This is not what yams are supposed to look like. Hi. Can you get a little closer? I thought it was over here. Like, can you sit right here? I don't want to sit at home. Get over here! I have to yell at her, you guys. This is my daughter. This is my twin. And, she brought me something to eat. So I'm really excited about eating this food. Hi! So what are you doing today? Well, you have a car. I don't. You never have any gas. A college kid with no gas. Can you please not do that? Are you kidding me? It doesn't matter. Oh, don't leave me. Oh, yeah. Wait. Please. I have no friends. I'm stuck in this house. Wait. You want to listen to music together? No, I'm about to watch TV. What are we watching? Disney Channel. You actually put that on YouTube that you're watching Disney Channel? I wouldn't have told anybody that, so. No, they don't. Dressing. Can you fix my hair? You messed it up. That's why I only have one kid. I should have had two, like a boy or something. I think they love you more. I really do. So, I got yams, turkey greens, dressing. Macaroni and cheese. Okay. They have done better. Well, I'm gonna see how this thing works. And on that note, you guys, thanks for hanging out with me. I'm glad I learned how to use this. I'll probably be uploading a video today, tonight, tomorrow. Oh, it is today. Oh, tonight and tomorrow and another day. But I'll be uploading. But you guys smile. It's contagious. And on that note, I'm out.
Estás escuchando las mezclas de DJ Santana. DJ Santana. on top of me, yeah. But if you think you're gonna get away from me, you better change your mind. You're going enough. You're going home with me tonight. Let me hold you, the colors pop